Well, good afternoon, everybody. We're going to do a recap of what we're working on right now. One is, you know that New York building is now completed. It's plugged into the software it needs to be, right?
Mm-hmm. Right.
Okay, so that project's done. The hockey arena in Canada. Shane, you're going to get that woman back into Zoom, right? Because she needs to know some things about the hardware that's getting shipped to her. Okay.
Yeah.
The BC-based university, we're going to get their head of tech back into a call. You know what that is, right, Shane?
Yeah.
They need to see these new LED panels. Okay.
Yeah.
You're going to send them off the quote, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And we really want them to see the new equipment, and we're going to post it up so they can make the decision and ship the equipment as a box right away. Okay.
Okay.
Arvi, you've been working on that restaurant in Victoria, right?
Yes, it's done.
It's done. Okay, awesome, great. So we can close that project. Everybody knows about that US-based hardware company. That's a big deal because that's a large outdoor ultra bright LED panel. That's on me. I got to get the last of their. They need us to do a bunch of paperwork to actually be a supplier. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm going to be working on this afternoon after our conference call here with the ad exchange. Okay.
Yep.
Last one, the Canadian City. You know, there's a new project they want us to work on. They've pushed off the first meeting because it's one of their directors that for finance that's going to be coming into the meeting. So that's October 31st. So Shane, if you just double check with our contact with the city and make sure we've got the right time and date. They don't want to use Zoom. We have to go into their Microsoft Teams or meetings or something. So I need that in the notes, just so when that meeting happens, I don't sit waiting in Zoom.